Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to install your video doorbell by Secur360. I've already gone ahead and removed my old doorbell, which is a Ring doorbell. So later on I will be uploading a video that compares these two products, and hopefully this will help you make a decision whether you want to spend anywhere from $50 to $70 on one of these, or if you want to go up and spend around $200 on a Ring doorbell. So let's get started with the install. So after you unpack your product, you're gonna find your doorbell, a hardware pack, a power module, a installation guide, and something else that's really cool about this product is that this product actually has internal storage. So what I've done is I've purchased a 32 gigabyte micro SD card that I'm gonna put inside this product. So before we start our installation, we're gonna install the SD card as well as turn the unit on. So we're gonna flip it over, and there is this waterproofing gasket that's at the bottom of the unit. They actually have the sticker that points at it. So basically what we're gonna do is remove this, and there's a little tab right here, but I got big hands, so I'm just gonna use a flathead screwdriver, and there we go, got it. So I'm gonna hold this up. So your button or your switch that we're gonna have to put in the on position is right here. So let's see if I can flip it. So I just flipped it off. So I'm gonna flip it in the on position. Okay, it's on, that's good. And I'm gonna take the SD card, if I can get it off the table, and I'm gonna insert it in this slot. Let's see how this works. Okay, so let's see if it's face up. Got it, okay. So now I'm gonna put my waterproofing plug back in. Okay, undid the SD card. Maybe that's something oh, man. Every time I plug it in, it unplugs it. So make sure not to press too hard when you're putting back the rubber plug, or especially around the SD card. I tried my best. Okay, but that looks good. Okay, so now we're gonna go outside and install this. Okay, since I've already removed my old doorbell, I'm gonna go ahead and install the back plate of the new doorbell onto my door. As you can see, I already have plenty of holes. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fish these wires that are coming from my transformer. So I have a mechanical chime, FYI. I'm gonna fish them through here, and then I'm gonna kind of, I don't wanna create too many holes, so I'm gonna reuse some of these holes. I'm going to connect the two wires to the terminals. So now we're going to put the top in first and then press it in. You're going to take the little screw that you took out initially and screw it in to the bottom. Oh, forgot to mention something. Before we credential, let's make sure we install our power pack. This is really simple and straightforward. I connected the black wire to the transformer and the white wire to the front. Okay, using these connectors. Okay, now let's go credential. Okay, so now we're credentialing. My doorbell is flashing rapidly red, so I'm going to select a doorbell in my Secur360 app. Okay, so right here, I read these instructions, which state once you have completed your installation, confirm that the ringer on the button is flashing red. Alternately, you can use net pairing mode, then AP mode. See help below. Okay, so I'm going to hit confirm. Okay, now I'm going to have to enter my network password, which I can't let you see, but okay. So I've entered my network password and I'm going to click confirm. Oh, man. Okay, so here's a big issue here. Make sure you're connected to the 2.4 gigahertz band of your wireless router. I was connected to the 5G band, and now it's telling me that this device is not compatible with the 5G band. So let me go change that real quickly. Okay, I'm back, and I've connected to the 2G or 2.4 gigahertz band of my wireless router. So I'm going to click confirm. Okay, so it's telling me to scan QR code. Let's see if this works. Okay. Maybe it will. Maybe it won't. Okay, there we go. Just did it. My indicator started flashing blue, and I'm gonna click indicator flashing blue. And, oh, added it to my Alexa, awesome. And we got a doorbell. Okay, so now our product is credentialed. So I'm gonna open up the live video feed. And, oh. As you can see, here I am. So let me just do a quick walk so you guys can see how this looks. It's a little sunny outside right now, so the picture isn't perfect, but that's expected. So I'm gonna press the doorbell. Ooh. Oh, okay. So I got this notification, and as soon as I hit that, I am here. Hello? Oh, there we go. I hear that. Okay, so, oh. So the last thing you're gonna have to do, depending on which chime you have, back inside. You're gonna have to select the appropriate chime in order to make your chime sound. So I'm gonna hit this, or hit the little chime button, and select whichever chime you have. So I have a mechanical chime, so I'm gonna hit complete. And now, okay, so now when I press the doorbell button, my chime rings. And of course, you know, there's some settings that you can change. Let's see, status indicator, you can flip your screen, which isn't necessary, time watermark, default talk modes, storage settings, and this is kind of where I see I'm going to enable local recording, event recording, good. My capacity is still, or my SD card capacity is still good. Okay. So just I guess a general run around. This little button right here, you can turn on or off. And that's your, I guess, microphone on the doorbell. You can change the definition from standard to HD. This button takes you into full screen mode, which is kind of cool. You can take screenshots, record videos. This is your press to speak button, so you can speak to anyone that's outside. Oh, there you hear me. Here's your playback. So this is for your cloud storage. And then, oh, that's your cloud storage. This is your actual SD card storage playback. And I guess it hasn't captured any videos or events today. Okay, well, nice. And then if you click on your chime, that's already set up. Settings, you can have your IR night vision as auto on or off. Motion detection settings. Yes, I want to receive motion notifications. I would enable this. Oh, let's continue screen recording. I would enable this because you want this to trigger based on that. So there's that. Okay. Oh, that's my mom and dad. That's a home screen. Okay, well, that's about it. Basic function settings. Okay, I already showed you that. Awesome. Well, this is it. The product is set up. So far, so good. It's working. So I'll continue to monitor this product over time. And like I said at the beginning of this video, I will do another video where I compare this product to the Ring doorbell. One is a high-end product that costs around $200. This product costs about $50. So is the additional $150 worth it? Well, we'll see. And until then, thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel, hit the like button as well, and I will see you guys next time. Thank you.